Welcome to another video. It's the Lister pump project, an update on it. Discovered that actually it's an H3 between the H2 and the H3 pump. There is only the piston diameter and difference. Other than that, all sizes are the same. As you can see, I machined new piston pin, and also made a new packing gland flange. The one originally it came originally was this one. To me it looks like an exhaust flange. I believe it does the job, but for me, no. So decided to make a new one. The piston and pin are made from stainless steel, and the flange from normal steel. All parts went for the sandblast. This is the pump itself. It's been a while since it was sandblasted, and the rust appeared again. It will do with a wire brush clean before the primer. At some stage here it was repaired. I don't know last time if I mentioned, but all four valves was faced, and the new nylon valves. Remember, this pump was involved in a fire, so parts like this was burned or melted. Hope you like this update, and thanks for watching.